So Kaspa's Coinmarketcap ranking is officially updated, putting Kaspa at the number 30 project in the space on Coinmarketcap. Is the Binance listing happening very soon? I wouldn't be surprised if we see that Binance listing. For the update to take place, CZ and his team had to take notice of Kas. This is what I've been saying. They're going to take notice because so much noise is being made. It's the same thing that happens with any other project. Once the community makes enough noise, they're going to take notice and they're going to listen to the community, right? So a potential Binance listing could be on the cards for Kaspa in the future, especially after the CoinMarketCap official ranking has been updated, and that, in my opinion, has caused so many more people to take notice of Kas and be like, what is this, right? Because some people don't check CoinGecko for some reason. Now that they see Kaspa at a number 30 spot on CoinMarketCap and soon to be top 10, if not top 5, people are taking notice and they're realizing what's happening here. Now, for all the people that are new to Kaspa, please do your research. Look into the technology. I know in the space all we care about is price go up, but I humbly ask you guys to do your research. Find out, dive into Jonathan and what he has created. Dive into what Jonathan has done in the past. The founder of Kaspa, Aviv Zohar, what they have done in the past. Dive into the Ethereum white paper and Jonathan being in the Ethereum white paper. Dive into all of that, guys. I'm telling you, if you're new to Kas, because a lot of people are just looking at Kas as, just another short-term trade, another project that may not be here for the long term, but the technology shows it. So I humbly ask every single new Caspian to do your research on the technology behind it as well, and not just focus on price go up. If you want to do your research, I got a playlist. I got all my videos on the channel. Just go back in time and you're gonna see all of that info, man. Now, Caspians, if you're tuning in once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and also become a Patreon. Link to that is in the description. You get private access to my Telegram group. The patrons are making a ton of gains. People are thanking me in the private group. They're thanking me for all the gains that we're making, and all of us are working together as a unit in the private group to find projects and get these gains together, short-term gains, right? And some of them are taking those profits, myself included, to buy more Kas on the dips, man. That's what we be doing, man. So I'm telling you, you won't want to miss out on that opportunity. Link to the Patreon is in the description. And this is from Jim Skibum. Kas is absolutely ripping, leading the charge of the top 100 and trending on CoinMarketCap. CZ, when are you listing it? Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, when are you listing it? CZ, obviously CEO of Binance. Kas is a project that is likely to not only get to the top 10 status, but to remain there for good. And that is exactly what I've been saying, right? Jim Skibum hitting the nail on the head. It's not just going to be a here today, gone tomorrow project. When Kaspa gets into the top 10, remember, if you go back in time and check the years of crypto and how every year there's a new top 10, the top 10 has changed over the years. When Kaspa does get into the top 10, and it will, being the fastest proof of work project in existence, right? The most scalable, secure, decentralized proof of work project in existence, it's going to get into the top 10 and it's going to stay there, right? It's going to get there and stay there because technology betters technology. It's going to be here for the long term, right? That's what I've been saying as well. It's not just going to be another here today, gone tomorrow altcoin. That's just going to last for this bull market, this bull cycle, and then it goes away for the next bull cycle. So Caspians, I'm telling you, if you're here for the ride, man, strap in. And like I said, I've also said I haven't been doing much trading either, as far as like when it comes to Kaspa. I said this in the live streams as well, in my videos. I bought and I just held. I'm just holding. The only time I think about trading is when Bitcoin is hitting new all-time highs. That's the only time I'm thinking about trading Cas. I just bought and I just held. That's how you got to do with Cas, man. Obviously dollar cost averaging as well if you want to increase your bags. We had a ton of time to DCA under 5 cents. So much time, you know. And if you're getting into Cas now, I wouldn't say buy your entire bag right here at the highs. Just buy a small amount. If it retraces, you dollar cost average in. If you have $1,000 to invest in Cas now, you buy like $50 to $100 this week. Next week, you buy another $50 to $100 because you're never gonna be able to time the market, right? And this is what I've been saying when it comes to DCA strategies as well. Kaspa now officially number 30 and in the Coinmarketcap rankings, and a lot of people are taking notice and waking up to Kaspa. This is from Nikita. 75% of Kaspa has just been mined. The rest of the supply will be mined by 2037, and the main checkpoints are 2024 80%, 85%, 2025 90%, 2026 95%. Coin supply decreasing steeply and selling pressure from miners as well, which is great. And that's what's another thing about Kaspa's technology, which is so very bullish, is that the halving for Kaspa pretty much reduces its block rewards every month, and the full supply will not be out for Kaspa until 2037. And again, Kaspa is not like these other projects where there's a team who has a huge amount of tokens that will be unlocked and vested. You know, the team has like 20%, 30% of the supply, and then every month they unlock the tokens and then dump on the market, dump on you, the person that's making an honest living, who's hardworking, going to your 9 to 5 every day, right? Nothing but respect for that. Having these people in this space, these teams with huge token allocations that are just dumping on us as investors. We need this space to change completely. That's why Kaspa is so special to me, man. Anytime I see a new project that has potential, it has huge token vestings to the team, and it instantly, that's a turn off, and then I just go right back to Kas and be like, why did I ever think about looking into other projects in the first place? The other projects that I get into, guys, I'm telling you, that's just short-term trades for me. This is Kaspa is a full conviction, long-term, hold until I'm old and gray type of investment. That's what Kaspa is. Hold until I'm old and gray type of investment. Now, obviously, take profits at the top of the cycle, clearly, so you could buy back in lower and get more of your bag. And, you know, obviously treat yourself also. But, you know, Kaspa is going to always be in my portfolio because I truly believe it will always remain in the top 10 when it does get there. Right now, we're at top 30. And look at that, from no acknowledgement from CMC from the updated, ranking list, and then all of a sudden enough noise was made from the Caspians, so they had to update the rankings, right? And if we take a look right here, let's take a look at Kaspa right now. Kaspa looking very bullish here. Made a massive move, made a massive move on the 5th. I've said that October and November are typically extremely positive returning months for the markets, and with Kaspa already being such a strong project, like just insanely strong against the rest of the market, when the entire market gets bullish, that's just gonna add so much more fuel to the fire to make Kaspa even more bullish than everything else, right? This is gonna be the best performing asset this cycle, and there's no doubt in my mind about it. So we made a move up on the 5th, had a bit of a reach, had a dip. Instantly, dip was bought up. Everyone was looking to buy when that dip took place. Boom, right back up, corrected once again. You know, and instantly, people looking to buy on the dip. Boom, right back up once again. Made a new all-time high, and it looks like we're going to that 14-cent range next. Kaspa potentially looking for 14 cent, the 14-cent target next. And if you go back in my previous videos, I did say Kaspa 10 to 14 cent at the end of the year. In the live streams as well, I spoke about this, right? So right now, you know, it's in price discovery. We're more than likely gonna keep climbing from here as long as you know, Kaspa remains Kaspa. Kaspa does what Kaspa does. Even I wasn't posting as much back here, right? I haven't been posting as much, but even back here, a lot of people thought we were gonna come back down to the 3 cent, 3 cent range. Never happened. I said Kaspa doesn't give people what they want. It doesn't. It doesn't give you what you want when it comes to pullbacks, man. You're just gonna have to DCA in, right? So we went sideways and then boom, after this breakout, just broke through all these resistances, and now we're in price discovery. I wouldn't be surprised we see 14 cent next for Cas. But you know, eventually there's gonna be corrections just like we had back here. So I'll start setting out my lines, as you know, for these levels, for what support and resistances we're gonna be looking at. But the halving is so close. It's up only season. Stop trading, believe in something, man. Like, honestly, stop trading, believe in something. Get off the leverage. Just buy and hold and wait until Bitcoin is sitting at 80,000 to 150,000. That's when you start, you know, dusting off your wallets. Okay. Honestly, Gaspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a Patreon to get access to my private Telegram group. The Patreons are making gains and they're thanking me all the time, like, BD, thank you so much, we're making gains. And then you could take those profits to buy more Kaspa. These are short-term trades that we're doing, only available through the Patreon. And you also get access to my buy alerts and sell alerts as well. Thank y'all so much, and I'll catch you in the next one.